अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स। पार्ट 3 एकेडमिक क्वेश्चंस। जिन भाइयों ने एकेडमिक क्वेश्चंस के पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 नहीं देखे वो नीचे लिंक दिया हुआ है, वहाँ से वो देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन गवादर वाज परचेज्ड फ्राम ओमान 1958, 1500 students in a class, 1200 are present in the class. Find the percentage of students are present, 80%. If there are 500 students in the class, 340 students are present. Find absent student, 32. A train moves twice than a car. If a car covers 60 km per hour, then how much distance covered by train in 1 hour? 120. If 22 day of month is Monday, then what day will be 8th day को क्या होगा? मंडे. Which country of the world is largest carpet producer? Country Iran. When Dr. Abdul Salam got Nobel Prize 1979. What is the name of capital city of Sri Lanka? Colombo है, ठीक है. The length of border between Pakistan and Afghanistan 2252 km. Who gave the idea of Pakistan? Allama Iqbal. When first Hajj offered 10 AH. What is the father name of Hazrat Usman? Affan. Question number 13 है, what is the name of border which between Pakistan and Afghanistan? Durand line. When objective resolution was passed? 12 March 1949. Which country is called the land of white elephants? Thailand. Question number 16 है, Speaker of Prophets is the title of which prophet? Hazrat Shoaib रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु. What is the name of first woman of Pakistan? She went to space. Namira Salim, अगस्त 2006 में. Who was the first governor of Pakistan? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, 15 अगस्त 1947 से 11 सितंबर 1948. First war of Pakistan with India over the issue of Kashmir, 22 October 1947. When Tashkent Agreement signed between Pakistan and India, 10 January 1966. Badshai Mosque Lahore built by which person and when? Aurangzeb. Start 1671 और complete हुआ 1673 में. Name the largest road of Pakistan. शाहराए पाकिस्तान. The number of idols in Kaaba at the time of Kuffar period, 360. Which is the second largest glacier of Pakistan? Baltoro. When Pakistan became the member of the UNO, 30 September 1947. When Holy Prophet was born? 22 April 571 AD. Which is the caliph of the Holy Prophet? His title is Atiq, Hazrat Abu Bakr. At the time of 1956 Constitution, who was the president of Pakistan? Iskandar Mirza. When Quaid-e-Azam left the Congress? 1920. Asadullah is the title of which caliph? Hazrat Ali. What is the birth date of Muhammad Ali Jinnah? 25 September 1876. When Nehru Report was published? 10 August 1928. Which continent of the world is called Dark Continent? Africa. Red Sea is also known as the Gulf of Arabia. India constructed Kashan Ganga Dam on which river? Jhelum. When dismissed the partition of Bengal? 1911. What is the length of Pakistan coastline? 1040 km. When Chora Chori incident occurred? 5 February 1922. What is Safa, Rome? What is the nisab of zakat on gold? 7.5 tole, means 7.1 का half. What is the date of 1857 Independence War? 10 May. What is the relation between Hazrat Hamza and Hazrat Holy Prophet? Uncle. What is the synonym of prescribe? Advise. What is the border length between Pakistan and Afghanistan? 1200 miles. Basel is the city of which country? Switzerland. Which is the smallest continent of the world? Australia. Highest civil award of Pakistan? Nishan-e Pakistan. First woman governor of Pakistan? Rana Liaquat Ali Khan, 15 फरवरी 1973 से 28 फरवरी 1976. Who was the second PM of Pakistan? Khwaja Nazimuddin. What is the old name of Atak? Campbellpur. When Geneva Pet made 1988, King of Habsha is belongs to which country? Karishina. How many agencies in FATA? 7. ठीक हो गया 7, ये आप पढ़ लें आगे. Which is the second largest continent of the world? अफ्रीका. फर्स्ट जो है वो एशिया है, सेकंड क्या है? अफ्रीका. Objective resolution passed by which personality? Liaquat Ali Khan. What is the other name of Holy Quran? Furqan. How many rivers flows in Balochistan? 7. How many Baltic countries? 3. ठीक है, 3 countries are Baltic. Which is the largest country of Africa continent? Algeria. ठीक है, largest country of Africa continent Algeria. Most developed continent of the world? Europe. When first democratic elections were held in Pakistan? 7 December 1970. When Pirpur report was published? 1938. On which date cabinet mission came in India? 24th March 1946. Which country is called the cockpit of Europe? Belgium. When Quaid joined All India Muslim League? 1916. The largest country of the world by area? Russia. How many verses in Surah Baqarah? 286. In how many battles Holy Prophet participated? 27. What is the old name of Medina? Was Yasrib. Bani Israel belongs to which prophet? Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. Muslim League was established in which year? 30 December 1906. Who was the first captain of cricket team of Pakistan? Abdul Hafiz Qadar. Which act of India Constitution continued till 1947? 1935. Full moon a village in which country? Vietnam. How many Muslim soldiers were martyred in Battle of Badr? 14. When Quaid became the president of All India Muslim League? 1916. Longest day of the world? 24 June. अच्छा. When Battle of Plassey was fought? 23 June 1757. When Quaid gave 14.15 March 1929. At the time of partition, 2 provinces of Pakistan leave for referendum, NWFP or Balochistan. How many prophet names mentioned in Holy Quran? 25. When Bangladesh separated from Pakistan? 16 December 1971. Where is the mountains of Tushmir located? Chitral. Where is the Amazon River flows? South America. Who is the current governor of Balochistan? Amanullah Yassin Zai. She is, ये preposition है, she is lucky because she got prize. What is the name of Hazrat Musa's brother Hazrat Harun alayhi salam? When Hudud Ordinance gave? 1979. Which metal is present in chlorophyll? Magnesium. Who addressed the Constitution of 1956? Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Who was the founder of EDI Foundation? Abdul Sattar EDI. What is the capital city of Argentina? Buenos Aires. Where Pakistan exploded atomic bomb on 28 May 1998? Chaghi, Balochistan. What is the capital city of Bhutan? Thimphu. Mangla Dam is on which river? Jhelum. When British government divided Bengal into 2 parts? 1905. Bangi Dada book is written by which personality? Allama Iqbal. Where Indian Ocean and Red Ocean connects through Suez Canal. Name the person who gave the idea of SARC? Aziz Rahman. Which Caliph of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam not participated in the Battle of Badr? Hazrat Usman. तो ये 100 क्वेश्चंस थे पार्ट 3 के. जिन भाइयों ने पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 नहीं देखा, नीचे लिंक दिया हुआ है, जल्दी से जाएं देख लें और चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपकी अच्छी से अच्छी तैयारी हो सके. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.